Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about use different functions in SQL Server. So, in last two videos, I have talked about scalar use different function. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding what I'm talking on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a multi-statement table word function. What are the advantages of using that? We're going to see in today's video. Let's go to the SQL Server main image today. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, I have prepared a script for today's demo purpose. Let's try to understand one by one. So here I'm creating the multi-statement table function and passing one input parameters. This is the table variable I have declared for storing the data. And finally, I'm inserting the data into this table variable by passing the title as the input parameters for the select statement. Okay, let's try to execute it first and we'll see. So I'm executing. So function has been created successfully. Now before executing function, try to enable the actual execution plan. Just click on here. Now I'm trying to execute the function. Select star from function name. I'm passing by as a input parameters for this execution. Let's try to click on execute. Now we got around 9 records as an output, and we'll try to verify the execution plan what we got. So we can see that it's a table valid function. The function name itself we can see that, and it is a table scan, the function name also. Okay, now we'll try to understand one by one. If we place the mouse over here, we can see that actual number of rows for all executions is 0 and estimated number of rows for execution is 1. And you can place the here also actual number of rows for all executions is 9 and estimated number of rows is 1. Okay, here also same thing, no difference. So we'll try to understand one by one. Go to the properties. You can see that so here it is a what kind of function, table valid function, and what is the function name. So for multi-table function, and parameter list also we can see because we are passing one input parameters for this function. So you can see that what is the constant value, so by year. Okay, what kind of physical operation, so table valid function. Same thing we'll try to understand for this also. So here if we go to here, it is showing list of objects, output list. What are the columns we are getting from the function? It is showing here. And what kind of object is it? It is a multi-statement table function. It is showing database, schema name, and table name. All the things we can see that. Okay, so what is the CPU cost, subtrade cost, and IO cost? We can find all the information. Now this time we'll try to pass some different values from this table. We'll pass this value. So product technician. So this time I'm passing production technician iPhone WC50 as a input parameters. We'll try to understand whether it is giving actual estimations correct or incorrect. We'll try to understand. I'm trying to click on execute. This time we got 26 records, right, as a output. Go to the execution plan, try to zoom it. So I'm going to see the operators, what operators we are passing. So here we can see the parameter list. Earlier it is a buyer, but this time I have given different parameters. So same parameter we are seeing production technician iPhone WC50, right? So it's a table level function. And if you place the mouse over here also, actual number of rows for all same thing, 1 only. Here even the actual is 26, but estimate is 1 only. We can place the mouse over here also, same thing. So no difference at all. It means that the multi-statement table function returning one row as the estimated number of rows irrespective of any number of rows written as a result set. Okay, we'll try to verify some other, we'll try to pass some other input parameters. So we'll try to understand different examples. So this time I'm passing 17 as a input parameter, and we'll try to understand. So execute it. So 17 records came as a result set. Try to go to the execution plan, zoom a little bit. Now we can see that. So estimated is 1, estimated is 1, same thing, no difference. Even if you want to go to the properties, and you can see the parameter list also. Production technician iPhone WC10 earlier 50, and by year. So last two executions we have passed different parameters, but there is no change estimated number of rows, right? So multi-statement table function not giving the proper coordinate estimations in the execution plan. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos also. Thank you so much for watching.